Today's view is from the Bronx, New York, but to be honest, it gave me serious New Jersey vibes. If you're watching from outside the US, this is what a regular weekday drive looks like on the East Coast. Calm streets, brick homes, and that classic city look. Can you tell the difference between the Bronx and Jersey? Drop your thoughts and let me know where you're watching from.
Stop now, the wiper. Do the light take longer to change or what?
In 600 feet, turn left onto Bronx Boulevard. At the light, turn left onto Bronx Boulevard. In a quarter mile, turn right onto East 237th Street.